So, dear friends, today I want to show you how to properly polish a paint coating that has lost its original shine. We'll try to bring back that shine, so it'll be interesting. Watch until the end, because at the end, an interesting project awaits you. Alright guys, today we're bringing dead paint back to life. This clear coat lost its shine a long time ago, but we're about to fix that. Stick around till the end, because I've got a really cool project waiting for you. So, I decided to run an experiment to see just how much difference there really is between a polished panel and an unpolished one. I taped off half the hood, splitting it into two sections, and now I'm going to polish just one half. So how does this process work? It happens in 3 stages, using 3 different polishing compounds. The first is abrasive, the second is semi-abrasive, and the third is a specialized finishing polish that removes the finest scratches and holograms, so the finish comes out bright, smooth, and as glossy as possible. Alright, time to lay down our first compound, the abrasive one. Keep it even, not too heavy, not too thin. You don't want to overdo it here. Get the amount right, and you'll see fast, solid results. If you're liking what you see so far, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments what you think about this experiment. And stick around, because it's about to get even better. Once the polishing compound is on, gently spread it out with the machine first. Don't turn it on yet. Work the compound into the surface, then switch the machine on at a low speed and start polishing. Now we polish it thoroughly until the compound is fully absorbed into the surface. Work it carefully, don't press down too hard. Keep the pressure at a medium level. If you want to learn how to polish your car at home, just follow my instructions. When I was first starting out, I made a ton of mistakes because I was rushing, but I picked it up pretty fast. So trust me, this isn't complicated at all. Just follow the steps and you'll get great results. Now we wipe the surface down with a microfiber towel before moving on to the next compound, the semi-abrasive one. Now we carefully apply the semi-abrasive compound, repeating the same steps as before, and thoroughly polish the hood's surface. This part takes patience and precision. If you want quality results, you're going to have to put in the work to get it right. After working through the first and second abrasive compounds, now we apply the finishing polish. This is what brings out and eliminates the tiniest scratches, along with any holograms left by the polishing pad, so you get that mirror-like shine. Enjoy the process. You'll see the final result at the end. Honestly, I can't wait to see how this turns out myself. I hope you stick around till the end. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. Let's see what we've got here. Peeling off the protective film, and would you look at that? Honestly, even I wasn't expecting the difference to be this noticeable. Check out that shine. Check out the color difference. Was it worth it? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd genuinely love to hear your take. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. There's a lot more content coming. See you in the next one.